Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a Swift Elite 560 2021. The Elite range being a bespoke range to us here at Grantham, so you won't find this finish and this quality of caravan anywhere else in the UK. So here is a good look at our Swift Elite. Single axle caravan with rear island bed, centre bathroom and some fantastic additional features. You've got a carbon fibre front locker box, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your electric hookup cable and your steady winder, just being cautious and careful of nose weight. Based on the Challenger 560, we've added some great features to it. One of those being the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You have the bespoke Elite chrome logo on the front and also the chrome logo going down the side of the caravan with a completely bespoke decal. On the side, you've got an exterior barbecue point, access hatch to underneath the front couches, also a exterior entertainment pod and a 240 volt exterior socket. On the roof, you've got a 100-watt solar panel, and also coming with this caravan is an Alco secure wheel lock. You have a generous sized under-counter fridge and a large kitchen work surface with work surface extension, stainless steel sink, an omnivent in the kitchen area to take out those cooking smells and just bring in some of that ambient temperature, and an easy usable height microwave positioned across some really nice light finished cupboards. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage also located underneath. New for 2021 is this change in the wood lockers that you see. So they've gone away from the gloss lockers and this beautifully finished two-tone effect with the under cream, chrome and then wood effect, which really accents well against our bespoke Elite fabric scheme that you see here. Hand selected by us here at Grantham, and you won't find this anywhere else in any other caravan. Large panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, again creating a fantastic feeling of space in this front lounge. Short pull-out chest and pull-out table there, PIR sensor for the alarm, and on your front binnacle you've got 2 USB ports, a 240 volt socket and some blanks should you wish to put some additional sockets in. Above the habitation door, we've got the Swift Command Centre, so your main control panel for the caravan. You can connect to this via Bluetooth whilst inside the van to control some of the features via the Swift Command app, and you can also connect to it at a distance using the mobile connectivity, also benefiting from built-in digital DAB radio. Alder Wet Central Heating is the heating system in this particular caravan, giving you a fantastic level of warmth all year round. On the side here, you've got your television point with 240 volt sockets, some storage located underneath and above, and standard fitments of the smoke alarm and carbon monoxide sensor. Stepping through to the very generous sized central bathroom area, high quality finish on the sink with storage underneath. Just covered up with a bit of tape is our bespoke Elite logo on the mirror. You've got storage located just above the Thetford toilet. And then on the other side, you've got your Alder heater just above a towel rail and a robe hook at the top there. Very generous sized individual shower cubicle that you see here as we step through to the rear island bed. So rear island bed with the matching headboard to our fabric scheme, that new two-tone effect that you see in the cupboards there. Vanity mirrors on both sides of the bed, which also creates a fantastic feeling of space in this bedroom area. You've also got a television point located in the bedroom should you want to pop the TV there, and storage underneath each side on the cupboards as well. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what our bespoke Elite 560 2021 model has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, our dedicated friendly sales team will be more than happy to help you. We look forward to hearing from you. Hope you've enjoyed the video tour and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.